Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're going to need for this dish. Of course, we're gonna need cassava itself. You can use as much as you want. Then we're gonna need salt to taste. We're gonna need some 2 carrots, garlic. We're gonna need black pepper, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion. We're gonna need ghee, cow ghee. We're gonna need simbambere, and of course we're gonna need some beans. For the beans, you can use fresh beans. You can use beans that are not canned. Okay, yeah, so let's just start cooking. So you can peel your cassava the way you prefer. This process in my country, my language, it's called kalakata. So I don't know how to call this in English, but we always do this when we're preparing cassava in my language. We do that. Next is we're gonna cut it in 2 pieces, and we take out the stem, that middle part here, this thing here, we don't need it. So now we're gonna start cutting them in 2 tiny pieces like that. Okay, chop them. Now at this point you can chop them as small and tiny as you want, but for my sake I prefer them not too small and not too big, you know, just like that in the middle. Yeah, this is the only long process when preparing this food. When preparing Katogo, in my language we call it Akatogo ka muwogo. So now I'm gonna add our chopped cassava into the pot, cooking pot. Okay. So next we're gonna get our beans, and then we're gonna wash them. Okay. First of all, we're gonna do water. We don't need it, but if you want, you can use it. Some people use it, but I don't want to use it. Okay. Now we're gonna wash them under running water. Okay. And then we're going to add them into our food. Like that. Actually, I'm gonna use 2 cans to add it into our food. For now, we're gonna leave it on top like that because you know the beans, they tend to burn. Okay, since we want our cassava to boil, we're first gonna let it boil, and then we will turn it while it's time to put our vegetables. Okay, so now onto our pan, we're gonna add oil. You can add as much as you want. Okay, then I'm gonna add the onions. So we're gonna cook our onions until they are golden brown. Okay, then we add in the other ingredients. Golden brown is what I'm looking for here. So here are onions, nice and golden. So next is we're gonna add in the carrots and the green pepper. Okay, you can use any veggies you want for this. Okay, just like any of other recipes I have on this channel. I always say you go with what you prefer. Okay, you're just giving ideas, cooking ideas, but you can always switch it around. So now I've only cooked this for a minute. Okay, you know the carrots are going to continue cooking when we add them in our cassava. Then I'm going to add in the tomatoes. Notice that I did not add in the garlic together with the onions. Now I'm adding in our garlic. Okay. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Then I'm going to add in the salt. I'm going to add in our black pepper, but I feel not good because I don't have smoked paprika in the house. It got finished, and the last time I did shopping I forgot to buy it. But if you have it, go ahead and add it in. Okay, then we're gonna add in the simbambiri. Okay, just a spoon of simbambiri, like that. Okay. Again, you can add in as little or as much as you prefer. I'm gonna mix everything together. Then I'm gonna cover it and let our tomatoes cook. This time around we're not cooking them for a long time, just 1 or 2, okay, 2 or 3 minutes. That is going to be enough. Okay, meanwhile we're gonna check on our cassava. This is what we have, and I'm sure it's ready. You see that? It's so ready. So now the next step is I'm gonna get our veggies. Okay, and then we're gonna add them inside our cassava like that. Okay, and now we're gonna give it a mix. Okay, yeah, my food misses paprika, but yeah, this is what we have. So now we're gonna let this cook on a low, very low heat, and then we will be adding in our ghee when we are about to serve. So guys, this is what we have. Our food is ready. So the next thing is we're gonna add in the butter, the ghee. Okay, and I'm gonna get a spoon. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this in, and then we're gonna let it melt, and then we are good to go. Okay. Oh, this looks and smells so amazing, guys. So we're gonna melt that and then we serve. So now it is serving time. So here is our dish, so delicious and done and yummy. I love everything on this plate. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. You know, this food is even more delicious if you let it cool down. You know, it's not good to eat it when it is still hot. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, or if you forget today, don't forget next time. I'll see you. Cheers. Let me enjoy my food. Oh, you are free to join me.